Hi friends, I'm CA Balaji. In this part 2 video of charge of GST, we will look into the definition of interstate supply and intrastate supply. Section 7 of IGST Act defines interstate supply of goods or services. Subsection 1 defines, subject to the provision of Section 10, supply of goods where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in two different states, two different union territory, and a state and union territory. In other words, the location of the supplier and the consumption state is different. It will be treated as interstate supply of goods. Here, union territory means union territory without legislature like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, etc. Subsection 2 defines supply of goods imported into the territory of India till they cross the custom frontier of India. Custom frontier of India. Section 2, subsection 4 of IGST defines customs area as customs frontier of India. Custom area is the area of the customs station or a warehouse and includes any area wherein which imported goods or exported goods are ordinarily kept before the clearance by custom authority. Section 211 of the Customs Act states. Subsection 3 defines, subject to the provision of Section 12, supply of services where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in two different states, two different union territory, and a state and union territory, which is same as subsection 1, which defines the interstate supply of goods. Subsection 4 defines, supply of services imported into the territory of India shall be treated to be supply of services in the course of interstate trade or commerce. This subsection 4 is slightly different from the subsection 2 of the section 7 of IGST Act. Subsection 2 states that till they cross the custom frontier of India, but subsection 4 states that supply of services into the territory of India will be treated as interstate supply of services. Subsection 5 defines, when the supplier is located in India and the place of supply is outside India, it will be treated as interstate supply of goods or services. Also, in case of CES developer or special economic zone unit, it will be always treated as interstate supply of goods or services. Also, it will be noted that in case of any transaction where the definition states intrastate supply, other than intrastate supply, it will be treated as interstate supply of goods or services. Next, we will look into the intrastate supply of goods or services. Section 8 of IGST Act defines intrastate supply of goods or services. Subsection 1 states that, subject to the provision of Section 10, supply of goods where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in the same state or union territory shall be treated as intrastate supply, provided supply of goods to or CES developer or units goods imported into India till they cross the custom frontier of India, or supplies made to a tourist referred to in section 15. So, if a single state or union territory is involved, it will be treated as intrastate supply of goods. Here, tourist means a person not normally resident in India who enters into India for a stay not more than 6 months for the legitimate non-immigrant purpose. Section 15 of the IGST Act defines. Subsection 2 of the IGST Act defines, subject to the provision of Section 12, supply of services wherein location of the supplier and the place of supply are in the same state or union territory, provided that intrastate supply of services shall not include CES or CES unit. This is similar to the subsection 1. With this, we have come to the conclusion of this video. We will look into the other aspects of charge of tax in the coming video. Thank you. You can reach me out at cabalajij@gmail.com and you can visit my blog onetaxpointindia.blogspot.com.